Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, I had shown you how to join and host Zoom meeting perfectly. If you didn't watch it, it is down in the description box and you can go through it. And please don't forget to comment. Today in this video, I am going to give some tips about how to sign your PDF in online way with your Android device. If you are first to my channel, feel free to subscribe my channel, and after watching my videos, like my content and don't forget to comment, which helps me to make my next videos. So guys, let's begin. First of all, you have to install an application in your device. For that, go to Play Store and install an application called Adobe Acrobat. The link is given in the description box and you can go through it. After the installation process, open the application and here you can see some options as sign in your account. If you want your file saved in your Google Drive or in your account, you can choose an account to sign in, or else if you want to use it for just for some time, you can leave it. After that process, select the file you needed to edit. Here I will show you by editing my file. After opening that file, you can see this option means it is the copy of your original file and only copy of that file can be edited. Here in this document, you can see that this document needs signature. Now I am going to show you how to sign on this. Down here there is an icon to edit. Go to that and after that you can see some of the options here. Go to fill and sign. Before that, make sure you had took the image of your signature clearly on a A4 sheet or white sheet so you can easily import your original sign, or else you can draw your signature here. It won't be perfect. Better you take your real sign image. Here I am going to choose my sign for that file. Make sure you had cropped it too short so that you can place it easily. After cropping, place the sign where you would want to sign. And here you can see that the signature is in very good quality. So in this way, you can sign your document in simple way. In order to save the document, on the top right corner you can see 3 dots. Go to that and go to the option print so that you can save the document in PDF form and give your document a name and save it. Also, you can go to share option and share the copy in any social medias and other Gmails. And there is another option to save also. You can save a copy of this file to your device. So friends, in this way you can sign your document digitally on Android in simple way. Those who needed to sign their particular document rather than offline, this method is convenient through online with this simple application. And don't forget to share this video who needs it. To see more videos of these types, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.